So today we are going to be making chia pudding, which you make beforehand and then it rests overnight, and then in the morning you can eat it for breakfast. So the first step is you are going to get 2 cups of milk. So I'm using whole milk, but you can use any kind of milk that you have. And then you're gonna add 1/4 cup chia seeds and just add that in. And then you want to get a fork and mix it around, and the chia seeds are going to clump together in the milk, so you're just going to want to keep mixing until you get barely any clumps. Okay, so now that all the clumps are gone, now you can just add your flavoring. So first I am going to add vanilla extract. It's just a little dash for flavor. So I'm just gonna add that in, and again, you can use the same fork and just mix that in. And now I am going to add honey for a little sweetness. Again, you can add maple syrup, agave nectar, whatever you want for the flavor. So just gonna add that in. And then just mix that around so that there's no honey clumps. And then I am going to add a little bit of cinnamon just for that flavor again. And just going to mix that around. Okay, so now that all the cinnamon is mixed in, I'm going to add a little bit of orange zest. So just gonna zest a little bit of that to get that zing flavor. Just a little bit more. You do not need that much, but again, you can pick how much you want for the flavor. I'm going to mix that in. And now the last thing I'm going to add for flavor is a little bit of grated chocolate. This is just like Mexican hot chocolate cubes, but I like the flavor that gives. And that just grates nicely into a fine powder to add flavor. And then that is all I'm going to add. Just going to mix that in. Now that that's all mixed, all that's left is to add the cap on and just pop it in the fridge. And then when you wake up the next morning, it will be ready and it will thicken. You can add all these things again on the top, but now they're just going to infuse to add flavor.